Are you feeling drained, restless, or overwhelmed by endless screen? You're not alone. We are more connected than ever, yet our mind and nervous system are more overstimulated than ever too. Hi dear soul, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll explore how a simple digital detox supported by sound healing can help you unplug, reset, and reconnect with yourself again. Let's try it together. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, and if you can, put your phone on the silent or aeroplane mode for the next few minutes. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body relaxing with each sound waves. Imagine all the digital noises, the notifications, the stress, the to-do list dissolving with each gentle strike of the bowl. Breathe deeply in, exhaling slowly from the mouth. Feel your mind slow down, your eyes soften, your shoulders drop. There is nowhere you need to be expect here. Silently repeat after me. I release digital noise. I choose the presence over distraction. I'm calm, clear, and connected to myself. Slowly bringing your awareness back to your breath, wiggling your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling more clear, lighter, and more grounded. Take this feeling with you today. Remember, you don't need to escape forever. Just a few mindful moments each day to unplug, listen within, and recharge. If this sound healing helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more peaceful breaks from the digital world. Until next time, be well.